YouTube friends, I'm Cindy. This is SincerelyCindiSettle. I do have a Wantable box today. So if you've been with me for a little while, you know that my last Wantable box was rather disappointing. I will link that one up above. I did reach out to customer service. They did send me a $20 credit and they offered to restyle me. So this is the restyle. We're going to get right to it. And I'm going to go through prices as we go through the items. Let me know what you guys think. As always, let me know what I should keep. Let me know what I should send back. I always love hearing from you guys. If you're not familiar with Wantable, Wantable is a style subscription box where you fill out a style profile similar to Stitch Fix. You have a $20 styling fee. They send you 7 items. You choose from those items what you want to keep. That $20 styling fee does go towards anything you wish to keep. You have a return label, return mailer in your box so that you can send anything back that you do not wish to keep. They are a little pricier, I have found, than some, but not as pricey as like Transcend and that kind of thing. I would say some of their items are very comparable to Stitch Fix, like their jeans and things like that are going to run around the same price. So they do have items that go on clearance and that go on sale. They do have a stream that you can follow as well so that you can accept or decline specific items to give them a better idea of what exactly you're looking for. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I feel like we're starting off a little bit stronger than what we did the last time. I did go ahead and unbox everything just so I would have an idea of what I had and to make the video go a little bit faster so that we're not pulling everything out and getting that first impression, which I do enjoy doing a lot of the times. So I hope you guys like that too. But this time I just decided just to go ahead and get some things tried on. So let's start with the sweater. This is like an oatmeal collared sweater. Very, very, very soft. It is very simple. It does have this cute detail here at the sleeve where it is cuffed a little bit longer and a little more balloony. Anyway, you get what I'm saying. It is just a crew neck, but it is very, very soft. I do like this. I think the fit is very good. It's kind of skimming over all of those problem areas for me. I'm going to turn around and then I'll get a little bit closer so that you can see the color. And let's talk about the price as well. Let's go ahead and see what that is. And I will have the details across your screen as well as in the description box so that if you want to request any of these items, you will be able to do so. This is the balloon sleeve cozy top in H Oatmeal. It is a 1X and it is $60. So you can see it kind of has that heathered look to it. It is just a very soft oatmeal collar. It has some detail there on the sleeve as well. It's very simple yet very chic. I do really like this piece. All right, so next we have the jeans. So the jeans, again, very strong contender. These are a skinny jean. They are your traditional 5-pocket jean. Very comfortable. The fit is great. They do have a little bit of stretch to them, so I do worry a little bit about sagging as the day would go on, but they are very comfortable at this moment. I feel like I would need to wear them around a little bit in order to see if there would be any issues with sagging or any concerns there, but the fit is very, very nice. I'm going to pan down so that you can see the fit, and then I'll do a turnaround so that you can get a good idea of what the length looks like and all of that good stuff. So these are the Abby Skinny Ankle in Bronte, and these are a 16W. These are a pair that I requested, and they will let you know when you requested them. So I requested these on September 21st, 2020. 2020. It is now September like 17th, 2022. All right then. So, and they're $98. So again, I do like them. I like the fit. They are very comfortable, but I'm just not, I don't want to spend $98 on a pair of skinnies. I do have several pair of skinnies in my closet. There is a little bit of, I don't know, extra material right here as well that is, I don't know, I mean, it's forgiving to the stomach, but it just is not necessarily all that attractive. So these are probably going back, but let me know what you think about the sweater. Okay, so here we have a couple more pieces from my Wantable box. So we have this cute little cardigan. It is in a cream color. It does have some interest to it. It does have a different type of knitting going down the arms as well as some details here. I believe there's some going down the back as well. It does have pockets. It is hitting me mid-thigh. I feel like that's a pretty good length. There aren't any buttons or anything like that to it. The length of the sleeves are good. So I don't have anything of this color. I don't have a cardigan of this color in my closet. I do have a long, like ankle length type of duster, but not like a sweater cardigan. So let me know what you guys think about that piece. Let me see what the price of this is. I'm not used to doing my videos this way, so I forget to look. All right, so this is the Pocket Cable Knit Cardigan in Natural 1X, 2X. It is $74. So, not sure about that price, but it is very cute. So let me know what you guys think. So let me know what you guys think about these pants. The pants are a very good fit. They're like a grayish brown color. They do have pockets, which is a plus. They are more on the casual side, but yet could be worn to work dressed up a little bit. There are no working pockets in the back, but these are working pockets here on the side. They are very subtle here, so it's not like they're standing out there to where you can see them in great detail. They are just a straight leg. They're kind of masculine if you ask me, but I feel like it would be very cute with a feminine edge to it, as well as like even an edgy look. So like a moto jacket or something like that would look really cute with the pants, with some cute heels maybe, or wedges. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to pan down and turn around so that you can see all the details. Okay, so these are the Kelsey straight trouser in dark emerald. They are a size 16W and they are on sale for $49. So let me know what you think. I'm struggling to decide whether or not I would get a lot of use out of these and how I would style them exactly with what I have in my closet. So let me know if you have any thoughts on how to style these. I love the price. All right, moving on. All right, last two pieces. I take that back. I do have a piece of jewelry I will show you when I do the wrap up. So we have this very pretty seafoam green, seafoam blue, whatever, frilly, ruffly baby doll top. So I do like the top. I like the collar. I would like it better if it were a dress. I'm not a huge fan of baby doll style shirts. I feel like they make me look a little bit bigger than what I am. But if it were a dress, I don't know, it's weird. If it were a dress, I think I would be okay with that. I feel like if it's all one piece, it doesn't break up your body like this look does. I think the fit is good. I think the color's good. I love the ruffles. I think it's very cute, but would like it much better if it had like one more tier to it or came down a few more inches to meet right at above the knee. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to get a little bit closer so that you guys can see the collar. So it's very fun. I mean, it's a lot of fun. I love the loose sleeves. I love the ruffles. I think the ruffle detail here is cute. But again, it just kind of, it flows over everything. It fits fine. But if it were a dress, I would like it much better. But the collar is very pretty. And this top is the bell sleeve with ruffle jersey top in Seafoam by Kori America, and it is $54. And then we have the pants. So the pants are like a legging. They feel like a polyester type. They do have pockets. They are navy. They are, I don't know, a dressier legging maybe. is how best to describe them. The pockets are just like a regular side pocket. They do have a little slit down in the ankle that dresses them up just a little bit. Again, my problem with this is I don't know how I would style it, unless maybe I just wore a t-shirt with a cardigan or something like that. I struggle with styling. That's my issue. But the fit is great. Like, it's an elastic waistband. They're not too tight. They're not too loose. They're very, very comfortable. So I'm going to pan down and show you some details. So there you can see, I don't know if you can see that slit on the outside all that well. But again, I feel like these could be dressed up or dressed down. I'm not sure how I like that pocket. It kind of sticks out just a little bit there. It's just, for some reason, it's not laying right there. I don't know if it's the way that it's fitting across here or what exactly it is, but they're very comfortable and the fit is great. And these are the Ponte 7/8 leggings in navy in a 1X. They are $48. Very reasonably priced. All right, so since I've already gone over all of the prices while I was going over the items, I just want to show you the necklace that they sent, as well as tell you which items I'm considering. So this necklace, let me see if you can see that there, is very cute. So if you guys are new here, thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope that you guys will consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and liking this video. I do want to do just a quick little wrap up to tell you guys what my final thoughts are on these items, what I'm considering keeping. Also to show you the necklace that they sent me. This necklace I did request back in August, so just recently. As I was going through the stream the last time I had a Wantable that I was unhappy with, I went through the stream a little bit just to give them some ideas of things that I liked. So very cute Clover pendant necklace in gold, and you can see it just kind of has that pearl look to it in the center, and it is $36. So that's going to be a no from me. I'm kind of cheap. I really don't want to spend $36 on a necklace when I can probably go to Kohl's and get 2 of them with a 30% off coupon at that price. So anyway, so the things I'm considering from this, I am excited about a couple of these items. I'm excited that Wantable did send me a new fix or a new style edit. I was rather disappointed in the last one. I do like several of these pieces. I like the sweater. I do feel like it's a little overpriced for what it is, so this is probably going back. I do feel like I can find something similar, a little cheaper. I do really like this sweater. I thought that the collar was flattering. I thought that the fit was flattering, and it is very versatile, and it's very soft and comfortable. So that's probably going to stay with me. The jeans are going back. They were a little pricey, and they did have some fit issues that were not to my liking. Let's put it that way. We have the Seafoam green top. Very cute. I love the little details. Just wish it was a dress. If it were a dress, I might feel differently about it. Then we have these pants here. Again, I am considering these. They are only $49, which is a great price. I need some help with styling these. I think like lug boots would look cute with them. Jean jacket, white top. I don't know. I mean, I think there's a lot of different options for those. I just don't have any pants in this color, or very many colored pants for that matter. I think I have 1 pair. So give me some advice on those, but I am considering those as well. And then we have the navy leggings that I did like, but I'm not sure that I loved them. I did have, again, some fit issues. The pockets I was not a huge fan of, but I do feel like Wantable did a better job this time of finding me items that were more at a reasonable price point than the previous box that I had where I did not like anything. So Anyway, if you have not tried Wantable, I do have a referral link down below. They do some fun themed edits throughout the year. I think I'm going to start like pausing my style edits so that I can get the themed edits, because I do feel like I have more luck with the themed edits than I do with the style edits or any other of the edits that they have. So hopefully you might see more of those coming. I don't think I'm going to get them monthly, but maybe bi-monthly or quarterly or something like that. So stay tuned. Maybe you'll see some more Wantable. I will see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm signing out. Mwah.